Hey everyone, Denise here, and welcome to day 9 of our 30-day workout plan for beginners. So I've got 5 exercises that we're going to do today. We're going to do 15 reps of each. So the exercises for today are the chop, which is good for your back fat and your abs. We've got squats, which are good for your booty. Side leg raises, which is good for your love handles. Sit-ups for your gut, and the bridge for your glutes. Anyways, then we're going to finish up with the plank, because we're doing the 30-day plank challenge. So, before we start, you know the routine. Let's warm up for about 5 minutes. We're going to loosen up some of the muscles that we're going to use today, and then we're going to go into a slow walk and then a jog for about a minute. So, let's get going. Okay, so for our first exercise, we're going to do chops. And these are good for your back fat and your abs and your legs as well. So just remember to take a deep breath and exhale as you're going through the exercise. And the way you do this is you stand with your feet apart, reach to the side, and go 1, 2, 3. Exhale as you come down. We're going to do 15 on each side. And if you can't do 15, start with 10. If you can't get your leg all the way up, go like this. But as you come down, kind of like tighten up your abs. All right, here we go. One more. After this. There you go. Feel it in your leg and your stomach. All right, let's do the other side. Here we go. One more. There you go. Well, that seems to work out a lot. You can feel it in your arms, your stomach, your legs, and your butt. That's a good one. All right, let's move on. So the next exercise we're going to do, they're called squats, which are very good for your booty, your glutes. Anybody who's got a sagging rear end? Hello? This is what you want to do. And the way you do a squat is you stand with your feet shoulder width apart, put your arms out in front of you, and then go down. Now, if you can only go like this, that's fine. Go down as far as you can, but kind of tighten up as you go up and down. We're going to do 15 of those. All right, here we go. Crack the knee. Your stomach in. Back straight as you can. I know it's hard. So, 3 more. 15. 14. One more time. 15. That one you should feel. Good job. Let's move on. So these next exercises are all going to be down on the floor, so get yourself a nice mat. If you're on a hardwood floor, I would suggest a thick one. This here is really kind of thin, and I can feel it on my knees when I'm on my knees. So invest in a good mat. This one here is called side leg raises. And these are good for your love handles and for your legs. And the way you do that is lay on your side. Put your arm to your side like this. You use this as support. Tuck your leg underneath. And then we're going to go up. We're going to do 15 each leg. You ready? Let's do it. make sure you're doing it right. All right, let's move on. So, and of course, what's a workout program if you don't do anything about your abs? Let's do some sit-ups. We're going to do 15 of them. Do the best that you can. If you can't do all 15, aim for at least 10. But this here is a good one for your gut. Here we go. Bend your knees, and up we go. Just think, we do this for a couple months, and then we can plow right into the challenges that they have for your gut, for your legs, for your back. But you gotta acclimate yourself first. So that's what we're going to be doing here. Right on. And then of course, we have the bridge. And the bridge is very good for your glutes. And this is the one you lay down and you lift yourself up. So we're going to do 15 of those. The last one, we're going to hold up for as long as we can. All right. Hands at your sides, and your knees, and release. And give it a squish. Squish butt. Check it up. Down a little bit if you have to. Keep the momentum going. Move your feet around. Keep your rear end up in the air. Make it tight. Really tightening out here. You move around to your back end, you can actually feel everything tightening up. Outside. Inside. Alright. Now let it down. Whew. I love that one. All right, so for this last one, this is the plank challenge. And today, we're gonna hold a plank for 50 seconds. If you can't do it for 50, just do it for as long as you can. Just make sure you're in the proper form. You're on your arms, and you're straight as a board, like a plank. I'm going to set my timer so that we know 50 and don't go over. All right. Everybody ready? Let's go. All right, 10 seconds. Keep it up there. feel everywhere. Your stomach, your arms, your legs, whatever muscle you have, you're working it. Great job. So there you have it. We just finished day 9 of our 30-day program. I'm proud of you, proud of myself. So, just kind of like cool down. Help your muscles go back. We worked on pretty much all of them. Reach up. This actually feels really good, especially around my back. So yeah, just kind of like cool down, do something on your own, keep going if you want while I'm talking. I just want to thank you all for coming here and working out with me. I hope you're enjoying yourself, and I hope that you stick with it, because I know I am, at least till 30 days, and you know, I don't expect miracles after a month, but if I can condition myself and then push myself a little harder during the second month, then I've accomplished something these past 30 days. So, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope to see you back again tomorrow. And until then, ciao.